it, how we're gonna get it, what we're gonna do to.
Ay, Dios mío, that felt good.
So, check this out. This is how Patrick makes an air dam. We just take some wood, some blocks, screw it to it, bam, done.
It's going out like that.
I'm talking about putting the wood to the floor.
All right, we're getting ready to start our lower spoiler, dam, splitter, whatever you want to call it. We're gonna come down with some 3/8 round rod. We're gonna get ourselves a nice parameter, come out a couple inches, nothing too drastic. We wanna keep it pretty simple. So I'm gonna start bending some round rod to get the outside.
Listen, he's telling you the politically correct way. We're gonna give it some loving. It's gonna come down here like this. Whoop, whoop. 1/2 inch round rod, nice edge, come back around. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Stick it to the ground. See, that was quick and easy.
Just like that, stick it to the ground. Alright, as you can see, we got this all welded up. A few more tacks to go here and there, but we got it welded up, cleaned up, getting the edge smoothed out, getting ready to take it out to the body shop.